It's the fact that Beauty of Chosun has joined the inclusive shade party, okay? I had to research how to pronounce this word. I want to try this. I have seen this all over and I was just surprised. Like I was just shook that they knew who I was and they sent me some of these products to try out. So I'm excited to try out a tinted SPF that looks like the shades are deep enough for me to be able to use. The question though is, will it come out looking phenomenal on my skin? I want to know. Also, the makeup looks in here are just stunning. It's not like basic, okay? It's given everyday look. So I think I'm going to try an everyday look today and see if I can get this skin-like look. So let's go ahead and jump into Beauty of Chosun's Tinted SPF. It's called the Daily Tinted Fluid Sunscreen. Very straight to the point. This is what it looks like when you get it. And I like that the cap has the shade of the product. Very clean, very sleek packaging. White, black. You can read it very easily. It has a 20.90 zinc oxide in here. K-Beauty does not play about their sunscreen. And then when you open the top, it is a squeezy top. So let me tell you a little bit about this product. It says the SPF plus tint you'll actually wear. It says SPF 40, FDA approved filters, zinc oxide. Texture is comfortably lightweight. Skin type is all skin types. The finish is not too dewy and not too matte. So I feel like it's a natural satin finish. They have 12 flexible shades, and from the swatches that I'm seeing, it looks like the shades are pretty evenly distributed. These are the shades right on the bottom. The deepest shades, the middle shades, the medium, and then the fair shades. I'm pretty sure these shades were made for like Western markets, but for a Korean brand to be able to give us this range and you know these types of options, that is still pretty impressive. It's a soft glow with shine control. So 100% mineral tinted sunscreen subtly enhances, smooths, and hydrates the skin while controlling excess oil for the most natural finish ever. These are the pictures of the befores and afters at the top. It seems to be pretty significant of a difference, especially when it comes to the tint of the skin. The darker girl does not have a white cast to it. Her skin looks beautiful and very even. And the medium girl, you can see that her under eyes are obviously, you know, not as dark as they were. I want to see if I can achieve this look that they got going on. Everybody has blush. Everybody has a gorgeous subtle lip shade. Everybody has mascara, but it all looks very natural. Let's see if I can create a natural makeup look using a tinted moisturizer. I'm going to swatch the 3 deepest shades, but before we start, I'm going to shake all 3 of these, okay? Let's see if I can put a drop. This is the deepest shade of the... But it could be the SPF in there. Okay? It could be the SPF in there. I'm gonna wait till I find a shade I can blend in and let's see what it looks like. I want to blend it in and see what it looks like on the back of my hand. It looks kind of gray, but the question is, once you blend it in, does it look better? Okay, I'm gonna leave it on. It's coming off very gray, but I want to see if the SPF will like even itself out and not look so gray. Second deepest shade is Deep Yellow 330. Oh, honey. I really thought I was coming here to do a tinted moisturizer look because I've seen this height. This is DP 320. DP 320. Come on, K-Beauty. You could do it. You can definitely do it. Oh, no. Oh, no. Yeah, I have seen a few people use this product and now I'm questioning. Guys, this is where the talk of dark skin comes in, right? Like, I know I'm not the deepest there is. I know that. But sometimes I don't even get a shade, okay? It becomes a problem when someone who's not like as dark as me or deeper than me is saying that something is dark skin friendly. And I get excited to try it and I get my hands on it and these are the shades that I see. The people that I've seen hyping this call themselves dark skinned, but they're not. And this is the product. Wow. I'm floored right now. I thought I was about to give you a gorgeous no makeup look, but as it turns out, What is this? K-Beauty, you need to find the right dark skin ambassadors to help you with your dark skin shades. I'll just blend some in because I don't want to be that person that judges it by its what is it called, by the swatches, because they did say blend it in with your choice of, oh honey, it's almost there, and I have to understand that it's a mineral SPF, so it might not give me what I think it's supposed to give. Like, I understand that. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it on for a little bit just to see if it blends in and balances out. I can't. Okay, so I think somebody with her skin tone, it will, this one, somebody with her skin tone, this shade will work very well for. One of the shades is almost kind of sort of my shade. I will use it as a regular SPF, and then I will put an actual foundation on top of it. This way I'm getting a little bit of color to the skin, and the makeup that I put, the foundation I put on top of it, will help cover up the SPF. This is what the one I put on the back of my hand looks like. It does dry down matte compared to what I started out with, but it still has that slight whitish cast to it, which is fine because we all know that mineral SPF, especially zinc oxide, will give this cast. So that is it for me with Beauty of Chosun's Tinted SPF. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. Is there a shade of this brand that works for you and how you like to use it? Also, would you try the way I suggested to use it? Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.